Salam. Hai teman-teman, bertemu kembali bersama saya di channel ini, channel Agus L72. Harapan saya temui kalian dalam keadaan sehat, dimurahkan rezekinya, sukses dalam usaha kalian, sukses dalam pendidikan, dalam pekerjaan, tetap bersemangat dalam kegiatan sehari-hari. Hari ini saya mengajak kalian untuk menyaksikan kegiatan yang saya lakukan, yaitu wiring terhadap Bahan-Bahan Santigi untuk sekedar memberikan lekuk batang agar mudah mempersiapkan gerak dasarnya di kemudian hari. Bagaimanapun kondisi dan bentuk dari bahan-bahan bonsai yang kita miliki, kita persiapkan untuk mempermudah membuat gerak dasar agar suatu saat kita dapat membentuk bonsai yang cantik untuk dipajang. Bagaimanakah kegiatan saya hari ini? Silakan ikuti dan simak videonya sampai selesai. Dan selamat menyaksikan.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Demikianlah video kali ini. Semoga tayangan video ini bermanfaat untuk kalian semua. Tetap lakukan sesuatu yang baik dari apa yang bisa kita lakukan. Dari hal-hal yang kecil sampai pada hal-hal yang semakin besar. Dari yang sederhana sampai hal-hal yang lebih komplit. Dari sedikit, akhirnya akan semakin banyak. Yang terpenting adalah tetap berusaha. Karena dengan usaha suatu saat, usaha tidak akan mengkhianati hasilnya. So, just do it. Sampai bertemu kembali di kesempatan-kesempatan yang lain. Salam.
And I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be